Hi, in this video, I will show you how to find phone contacts on Instagram. So first is you have to go to your Play Store and update your Instagram to have the same pace with me. Now, if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my application is updated. And then go to your home profile. On the bottom part, you will see profile there. And then if your account is very much new or don't have any other, you don't have very much interaction with with other accounts, then you will see here in the middle part, discover people, then click on see all, con then click on connect contacts, then allow access and let it have access to your contacts. So basically that is all you have to do to connect your Instagram to contacts. That includes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And please leave any questions you may have in the comment section and have a great day.